Here's a 2007 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with the power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, dual-zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, rear parking sensors, front heated bucket seats, power heated mirrors, entertainment system with DVD, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and V8 engine. Kelley Blue Book remarks, boat and trailer owners in particular gravitate toward Suburbans, which offer up to 8,100 pounds towing capacity. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.